sorry. So same way, when now, like after doing your personal sort, I know you must have understood what business you will be choosing. So if after doing your sort, you have to do a sort of business, because whatever the business you have shortlisted, whether that business is going to be successful or not, that is that we come to know after doing a proper sort of business. So now we will start with the sort of business now. So can you see my slide?
Yes मैम, yes मैम. अभी ये रूबी मैम वाली स्लाइड लगी है मैम, इसको चेंज कर लो.
हाँ, but then full screen आ रहा है ना?
हाँ, yes मैम, yes मैम.
Right. So friends, we'll again do sort of business right now. So again, sort is like S stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threat. When we are talking here about SWOT, we are talking about this of a business. What is the strength of a particular business? What is the weakness of a particular business? What are the opportunities which are available for that particular business? And what are the threats, or we say challenges, for that particular business? So when we talk about strength of a business, that entirely depends on the location of it. Whichever the business you have chosen, is it near to the potential customers? Is it near to the market? It is near to whether the approach road is apt or not. Is it near to the resources? If it's a unit, manufacturing unit, is it near to the resources? Resources, when we talk about the resources, friends, we are talking about, suppose like you have opened up a manufacturing unit in Bengal. So Bengal, we know as like, you know, you know, the manufacturing units out there, and the cost of labor is less. But suppose if you are into jute manufacturing, so if your manufacturing is near to the Hooghly River, and you know, we have the production of jute out there a lot, so it's very easy for jute, the raw material, to reach to your destination, that is your manufacturing. Cost of labor is less. So that if you have chosen the apt thing, like आपका resources आपके आसपास है, आपके allied services आपके आसपास है, आपके again जो आपके resources, I'm talking about the raw material as well as your labor, that is also your resource. So if it is nearly available, then of course that becomes a strength. But अगर वही चीज अगर आप बहुत दूर ले रहे हो कहीं पे, जहाँ पे बहुत टाइम लगता है रिसोर्सेज को पहुंचने को, लाइक रॉ मटेरियल्स पहुंचने के लिए टाइम लगता है, कॉस्ट ऑफ लेबर हाई है, आपकी अप्रोच रोड्स ठीक नहीं है, आपके पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स आपसे दूर है, तो वो आपके लिए स्ट्रेंथ नहीं, वीकनेस होगा। तो लोकेशन जो है आपकी, वो बहुत जरूरी है आपके बिजनेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए। बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा, आप एक रेस्टोरेंट आप एक बहुत ही हैपनिंग जगह पे खोलते हैं, और एक रेस्टोरेंट आप एकदम रिमोट एरिया में खोलते हैं, आपका आउटर्स में खोलते हैं, तो किसका आई से आउटपुट ज्यादा होगा? One which is in the happening place, where you have all those even your youngsters coming over there, weekend पे आपके जो parents वगैरह बोलते हैं ना, weekend पे we always think this, हम लोग वहाँ पे जाना चाहिए, रेस्टोरेंट में बाहर खाना चाहिए, तो if it is near to those area, then that becomes a strength. आप कितना अलग हो दूसरों से, यूनिकनेस, हम लोगों ने जब यूनिकनेस की बात की थी अपने sort में, हम when we doing sort of self, we talked about our uniqueness, our USP. Same way, when we talk about business, we are talking about the uniqueness of the business. That is how your business is different from others. What is your USP? Unique selling proposition. आप दूसरों से अलग कैसे हो, right? So this is really counts when you are opening your business. और अगर आप दूसरों से अलग हो, then that becomes a strength. अगर सपोज आपने एक प्ले स्कूल खोला, आपने एक नॉर्मल फॉरगेट अबाउट प्ले स्कूल, आपने एक स्कूल खोला, अगर सारे स्कूल्स आसपास के बहुत एरिया इज ऑलवेज गिवन टू ऑल द स्कूल्स, राइट? यहाँ पे सब स्कूल्स खुलेंगे, they should not be because it's a commercial activity, should not be near to the societies. But अगर आपके आसपास आपके competitors हैं, तो how you are different from them? Either आपका ambience अलग होगा, आपकी एक अलग unique selling proposition होगी, like आप activities में कुछ अलग कर रहे होंगे उनसे. Like यहाँ पे I have seen a school wherein they have the kitchen garden and all those things. जो हर schools में नहीं होता है. That is their USP. So आपको अपनी यूनिक सेलिंग प्रपोजिशन रखनी है, आपको अपनी यूनिकनेस रखनी है, आपको दूसरों से अलग होना है, देन आप अपने बिजनेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना पाएंगे. अगर आप वही चीज प्रोवाइड कर रहे जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे, देन यू विल बी हैविंग टफ टाइम इन रिटेनिंग योर बिजनेस इनटू द मार्केट, राइट. Strong management. हम जब strong management की बात करते हैं, when we're talking about the strong management, we are talking about the people who are working for you. Do they have the same mental level which you are having? आपने क्या सोच के अपना बिजनेस को खड़ा किया, वो बिजनेस आपको अपने एम्प्लॉयज को भी बताना पड़ेगा. आपका you cannot hide things from your employees. Whatever you want your employees to do, whatever the new activities or creativity you are bringing into the business, you have to tell to your management as well. You have to tell to your people as well. They should understand your creativity. They should understand your uniqueness. They should understand your working capabilities or working level, and they should understand that what you are expecting from them. And when you have that, you are at par with your employees. Of course, that becomes a strong management, because आपने see you want a, suppose it's a restaurant, you want a cashier, you want stewards and all. Fine, आपने उनके qualification के साथ में रखा, आपने उनको बोला काम करना. But if you just told them मैंने बहुत अच्छे they have really got good percentage into their career, like academic years, तो आपको लगता है कि आपका काम वहीं खत्म हो गया? नहीं, because they have not understood you. They will be working as per what they have learned in their academics. और जहाँ पे previous company में कहीं काम किया है, तो वो उस हिसाब से काम करेंगे. तो आपका management strong नहीं होता है, your management will not be strong, because they don't know your working criteria. They don't know what you are expecting from them. They don't know your creativity. They don't know about your capabilities, what you exactly want from them and what you expect them to do and bring the profit into the business. So for that, you have to be very, very clear. You need to provide them training beforehand, before you start up. As soon as you employ them, you need to provide them a proper training, as in what role they are supposed to do and what you are expecting from them. And if you have that strong management, strong people working with you, the same level, mental level, then of course that becomes the business strength of your business. My friends, you should be, when I am discussing about strengths or weaknesses, I expect you to do, keep on writing about your business strength as well, so that it's easy for us to do the discussion later on. So now we move on to weakness. जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं strength की, same way हम लोग, I just told you weaknesses also. So जब हम बिजनेस की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारा बिजनेस का बात हो रहा है, फर्स्ट इज लैक ऑफ कैपिटल. किसी भी बिजनेस को रन करने के लिए उसकी कैपिटल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब हम जब इन्वेस्टमेंट, आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे आल्सो, फाइन वी कैन मैनेज इन्वेस्टमेंट, वी कैन स्टार्टअप के लिए जो हमें लोन्स होते हैं, इन्वेस्टर, पहले तो हमें इन्वेस्टर कैपिटलिस्ट ढूंढने पड़ते हैं, हमको ऑफ कोर्स लोन कहाँ से मिलेगा, हमको ये भी देखना है कि बैंक हमारे स्टार्टअप के लिए लोन दे रहा है कि नहीं दे रहा है, वेदर वी शुड बी गो टू इन्वेस्टर कैपिटलिस्ट, वो कितने परसेंट पे हमको लोन दे रहे हैं. और सब उससे पहले भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पहले अपने घर में ही आसपास लोगों को ढूंढते हैं हु कैन प्रोवाइड अस लोन. Like हमारे parents हैं, we have our parents, we have our family, friends, or even friends also, they can invest into it. But उसके बाद I always say, we of course after when we have seen whether whosoever is providing in our family, if we are we don't have ample amount of money, then we of course move on to bank and capital investor capitalist. But सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट की हम लोग बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. लैक ऑफ कैपिटल, मैं जब भी बात करती हूँ, मैं लैक ऑफ कैपिटल में आई डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट. इन्वेस्टमेंट एक बिल्डिंग को खड़ा करना, एक बिजनेस को वहां पे एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करना ठीक है, बन जाता है, बट बिजनेस सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा करना नहीं होता। इट्स नॉट ओनली इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, वेदर आपने एक सैलून खोल दिया, आपने एक रेस्टोरेंट खोल दिया, आपने एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट खोल दी, ठीक है, सो दैट डजंट मीन कि आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट, आपका जो कैपिटल पार्ट है वहां पे खत्म हो गया, अब तो आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा। नो, you will not be getting profit at least in couple of years. एक साल के बाद तो आपका ब्रेक इवन स्टार्ट होता है, you have your break even after 1 year. उसके बाद क्या और उससे पहले क्या, where you will be getting the money. So you should be having that much of capital so that at least for a year or 2 years you should be able to venture or start up at least without running around or without taking somebody's help. उतना capital आपके पास होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you don't have that much of capital, then becomes a little weakness. आते हैं, but आपको business run करने के लिए you require money at least for 1 year. Like last year आपने देखा कि pandemic में कितने business start हुए और कितने बंद हो गए, because they did not have ample amount of capital, lack of capital था वहाँ पे. वो कैसे, because आज जब when you are thinking of capital, if you have taken a place for on lease, again उसका rent आपको देना है, तो आपको rent per month rent का खर्चा, which was again not feasible. कितने आपने देखा हो कितने units बंद हो गए, कितने छोटे छोटे जो businesses houses थे वो कितने बंद हो चुके, because they did not have they did not have ample amount of capital to run the business. Lack of reputation. When I talk about lack of reputation, I am saying that you are new to the market. The people don't know about you. They know your competitors, but they don't know you. Suppose you are into a again I'll just say आपने नया नया रेस्टोरेंट खोला, आपके सोसाइटी के आसपास वो शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स है, वहां पे आपने एक बहुत सुंदर सा एक अच्छा एम्बियंस के साथ में अपना रेस्टोरेंट खोल दिया, वहां पे ऑलरेडी काफी रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, लोग आपके रेस्टोरेंट की तरफ क्यों आएंगे? Because see, even I am one of those who always have I also stick to one restaurant or even one salon and one grocery person department store. जो वहीं पे जाती हूँ, वहां से इनफैक्ट होम डिलीवरी आती है, वहीं पे उनको one-on-one डीलिंग होता है. So why would, and I seriously sometimes I don't even look around who is new into the Vincity और कौन आसपास नया आया, वो भी मैं लोगों से सुनती हूँ तो पता चलता है. हाँ, and then of course वो जब मैं when people come to me, do you know we have a new restaurant there, you know we have got a new department store and this new thing has come. Okay, then मेरी curiosity होती है, okay, I haven't seen, I missed out, because मेरा टाइम जल्दी जल्दी में जाना, सामान लेना और निकल आना. I'm like those kind of person. But somebody tells me, so a curiosity level बढ़ता है, and then of course I would like to go and see this new place because तारीफ की है, people have praised about this new setup. So यहाँ पे वो reputation कैसे बन रहा है आपका नया नया का? Through word of mouth, isn't it? So आप new, you are new into the market, so that's why you don't have reputation. But then what I am trying to tell you is, through word of mouth you make a reputation of it. People come to know about you. This is the first marketing strategy you should be adopting. The more better service you provide, the people will throng at your place. Why? Because when a first customer comes to you, what happens is you're given a very good service. You have given even if they're buying something, you have given a very good product to them. What happens is they will, if they are satisfied, they're happy with your product or your service. What happens is they'll go to 10 of their friends and go as in whosoever they are meeting, they would be in just their casual conversation, they would be praising you. And when they praise in front of 10 people, at least 5 will come to you, isn't it? And those again, same, those 5 will again be discussing with 10 more people, and again 5 will come to you. So this is a strategy you should be adopting. So then you make from lack of reputation, you are building a reputation. So initially, if you are not able to take your reputation. If you don't adopt a good strategy, marketing strategy, then that becomes a little weakness for you, right? So you have to don't be scared of your competitors. After proper market research, you need to know what your competitors are giving you, and you need to give something better to them so that you have a good reputation into the market. Opportunities, area growth. आप जहां पे रह रहे हो, wherever you are staying or wherever you are opening up your business, what is the area growth of that and that particular area annually? This depends on the government strategies also, government planning as well. Government की आपके area को लेके क्या policies है? Whether they are making, suppose अभी नोएडा में आपने सुना होगा, अभी just recently I read in newspaper that they are going to have 162 sector as well. They have going to take over a place again. खेत वेत लेने वाले हैं और उसको convert करे 162 converting into 162 sector. आप कुछ साल पहले, even a decade पहले अगर आप नोएडा को देखते, so what was Noida? All agriculture field. We hardly saw any growth out here. Those we just saw small shopkeepers and all. Never a mall. I'm not saying about decade. I mean 2 decades back. So what the Noida was hardly known. But as soon as the government policies changed and then they started developing Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar into Noida. This is a new industrial development area. So what happened is everything changed. Those people who had their land out here, they are in having crores out here. Those who had a small grocery shop here, they have their own departmental store. They have even malls. So this is the thing, because the area out here has grown. The people, the government brought the new schemes. They converted this area into an industrial area. So what happened with the industries? What came? Allied services. Or allied services ke aane se, of course, you see a boom into that particular thing, right? Allied services means aapke wo hospitals aaye, aapke residential areas, bane sectors develop hona start hua, residential area banna start hua. Then you have those education systems out here. Then again, grocery department stores, sab aane se wo cheeze badhti gayi, and of course, when you have more of consumers coming into that particular place, because aapke allied services aa rahe, to aapke consumers aana start. Consumers like families aana start, isn't it? Families जब आएंगी तो और वही लोग तो आपके consumers है, वही लोग आप customers है. So आपको opportunities मिलेगी. अगर आप उस एरिया में रहते हो जहाँ पे annual growth 8.5% है, तो your business also sees growth. That is an opportunity for it. But if you are staying in an area wherein government does not have the favorable policies towards industries and all, then that becomes a little drawback for you. But area growth definitely brings opportunities, more opportunities for you. And when we have area growth, we'll be having more working families and children, right? Why? Because see, suppose you have opened up a school. आप डे केयर और प्ले स्कूल की बात कर लीजिए, आप ये कहाँ खोलेंगे? आप ऑफ कोर्स रिमोट एरिया में नहीं खोलेंगे. You will not be opening it into a remote area. You will obviously look for a place which is near to the customers, consumer, that is near to societies. And if you have more of societies out here, what happens is, with the society, because this is an undeveloped area wherein you have more of societies, more of working families with children. And when we open up a play school and especially daycare, what happens is we are having a growth. Because working family means if both the parents are working, what happens is they would be leaving their children into the daycare. Now their spending power has also increased. हमारे टाइम में who used to be the source of income? The father used to be the one who used to be earning and mother used to look after the husband. Now scenario has completely changed. Now both the family parents are working and the children are, of course, they need to be at some safe place, and then they look for a good daycare facilities or even a good preschoolers. So they would be, of course, then you will see opportunities out there. People will come to you. Now, of course, pandemic had been a setback for everyone, but this pandemic now with the COVID protocol, if the schools are opening up, even the restaurants are opening up, even other allied services are opening up. So this becomes an opportunity for you. Same like restaurants and all this we have given for the restaurant, because to agar dono families, dono parents काम कर रहे हैं, especially end of the weekend, excuse me, weekend पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, even the mother says, even I don't feel like cooking today, let's take the children out. And if you have a very good restaurant near to the working families, near the societies, you will see the people thronging at your office. आपकी वो छोड़ो, वहां पे बैठने का जगह नहीं, तो they people come for even takeaways. Have you seen the restaurants on weekend? आपको बैठने का जगह नहीं, get a seat, आपको waiting रहती है, you are waiting there for 1 hour. Even takeaways also they are waiting for 1 hour. So that is a thing, that is what is an opportunity for you. So this becomes an opportunity for you if you are your business is near to the places, societies where you have more working families, and if the area is growing annually. Then friends, let's talk about threats, challenges. I always call it challenge. डरना क्यों है, खतरे की घंटी नहीं, ये हमारे लिए चैलेंज है. चैलेंज को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? This is okay, challenge. I hope you have understood what is challenge. तो वो हमको challenge accept करना है. We need to accept the challenge. How? We have to be prepared for the competition. If you are not prepared for the competition, then of course I will say it's a khatre ki ghanti for you. It's a threat for you. But if you're prepared for your competitors, then of course that becomes an opportunity. Why? See, competition to har jagah hai. I told you, you have opened up a new restaurant. आप वहां पर आए, आपके competitors already वहां पर है. But what is happening is, आपके वहां पे people don't know about you. But I just told you when I was talking about your weaknesses. अगर वो टाइप का फर्स्ट कस्टमर जो आ रहा है, वो उसको आप अच्छी सर्विस देते हैं, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से आपकी रेपुटेशन बढ़, आप अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी पीछे छोड़ते. So you have to be prepared for the competition. Bring out something unique into your business. Come out with something unique about your business. Definitely you will succeed. And if you're not prepared for it, then again that becomes a challenge or as a threat for you. And if you're not prepared for the opening, so when I am talking about opening numbers, I'm talking about, like, suppose you opened up, you took out so many discount facilities also. Yeah, we'll be giving you this discount, opening offers आपने दे दिया. उसके बाद आपके पास लोग आ रहे हैं, but you are not prepared to cater them to them properly. आपके पास जो पहला कस्टमर आ रहा है, जो 100 कस्टमर आ रहा है, you have to make it sure that you are giving the same service to them. If you are not giving the same service, आपका वो थोड़ा सा भी poor performance होता है, वो आपका नेगेटिव, सेम लाइक हम कहते हैं ना पॉजिटिव आपका वर्ड ऑफ माउथ का एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, वैसे आपको नेगेटिव ऐसे एडवर्टाइजिंग हो जाता है कि वहां पे आपके लोग आपको 10 लोगों बोले कि वो अच्छा जगह है, वहां पे जाके क्या होगा, वो लोग ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि प्लीज डोंट गो टू दैट, आई रियली हैड अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस इन दैट सो एंड सो शॉप और सो एंड सो रेस्टोरेंट और सो एंड सो सैलून, प्लीज डोंट गो. देन बिकम्स योर नेगेटिव थिंग. आपके लिए वो एक ड्रॉबैक बन जाएगा, बिकॉज वहां पे आप नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी हो जाएगी. For that you have to be prepared for them. You should be giving the initials जो आपकी सर्विस है वो, that forget about initial, आपकी throughout सर्विस हमेशा अच्छी होनी चाहिए, and your product has to be of good quality. अगर आपकी initial आपका good quality का नहीं है, so that would be a threat or the challenge for you. So now my friends, same you have to have the activity, same like strength of your business, weakness for your business, opportunity for your business, and threat for your business. Same आपको 5 पॉइंट लिखने हैं. The way you have done for your sort, same way you have to do the sort of business, right? If you